English shadowing practice, speak with me. One afternoon, I was walking in the park when the sky slowly turned gray. A light rain began to fall from the clouds. People opened their umbrellas and walked calmly along the path. I stood under a tall tree and listened to the soft sound of rain. The drops touched the leaves and the grass quietly. A couple nearby shared a bright yellow umbrella and laughed together. Children splashed happily in small puddles on the ground. Even with the rain, the park still felt warm and alive. Sometimes a little rain can make an ordinary day feel peaceful and special.